Pearson is the world's largest leading education company. We are into schools and we are into higher education, and we do a lot of publishing, we do running schools, and we measure and monitor assessments, and we offer an integrated service for any educational institutions within India. And the challenge for us was actually to integrate all these businesses together and look at them as one single entity. So there was a lot of standardization that was actually required, and that's where this journey started for us. The wish list was to bring something that was very simple, not complex, and make something that can work very easily for everybody, and make it like a self-service portal. And just then we had actually made a decision to implement Oracle ERP as well. So everything was just falling into place. So all we needed was one thing that would actually sit on top, and that could actually be rolled out to the rest of the organization for the purpose of reporting and for the purpose of reviewing the reports. And that's where Oracle PBCS system actually fitted in really well for us because of some of the different features that it actually offers. So that's where this product really helped us to start thinking in terms of how could you make it intuitive for somebody? How could you allow someone to start thinking, what if I did something different? What if I want to do something different? How could I impact the different revenue drivers, different cost drivers? And the fact that it actually takes you from A to Z, from a process of budgeting, forecasting and monitoring, that's what really appealed to us. And that was what we were actually banking on, allowing the end user to start to feel that yes, he is in control. We have 3 rolling forecasts for the year. And so we're actually starting to think now in terms of how do we do the rolling forecast much more easier for ourselves. Previously, it used to be multiple spreadsheets brought together, then suddenly the MD wants to change something, and then we go back, run around and work through the night and get things working. So there was a lot of that kind of work to actually happen. My thinking has always been in terms of reducing my total cost of ownership and ensuring that it becomes my operating expense rather than a capital expense that I need to worry about. And not having to worry about upgrades, not having to worry about system capabilities. And the other part of it is that because of the fact that cloud will allow me to have access to the system anywhere from anywhere. And as we were thinking about this as a global rollout as well, that's another one of the key decision criteria that we had to use. Efficacy is important to us, and the efficacies we actually delivered by being able to plan our 2015 operating plan on the system and allowing the business heads to be able to plan themselves too. And it's been a great learning experience, as I said. Pearson's logo is always learning.